Do you often ask people whether manifesting X, Y, or Z desires is possible? Are your current circumstances making you feel like it's impossible? If it is, then this video is definitely for you. I will explain to you why it is possible for you to manifest your desire. I will give you a really beautiful example that, if grasped, can do wonders in your life. You can observe it in your life, and you will be amazed at how simple things in our lives can give answers to our complex questions. So stick with me until the end because it could be a light bulb moment for you. I know you are facing some doubts regarding your manifestation. Perhaps your reality is diametrically opposed to what you desire. Maybe you had some movement and it stopped after a while. I am sure you have heard somewhere that circumstances do not matter when manifesting. I know you have heard it, but your mind is not grasping this properly. But when I give you this example, everything will become clear for you. I'll use garden soil as an example. Have you noticed it? Have you noticed that whenever you put a seed in it and water it regularly, by the laws of nature, a seed becomes a plant and bears fruits? When you plant a tomato seed, a cucumber seed, a rose seed, or some poisonous plant seed such as deadly nightshade, does it grow into a plant? It does, right. It grows into a plant and bears fruit, and that is how the cycle repeats itself. Have you ever heard that the soil rejected some plants? Have you ever heard soil say, "No, I won't grow the cucumber plant, but I will grow only the tomato plant"? Or does the plant differentiate between the deadly nightshade plant and the rose plant? Do the soils declare that the deadly nightshade is toxic and poisonous? Hence, I will not grow it. It doesn't work like that, right? Whatever seed is presented to the soil, with some water and time, it grows into a plant. The soil is indifferent towards the plant. It is not choosing or rejecting the plant, be it poisonous or healthy, and it will make them grow into trees. In the same manner, your subconscious mind is the garden soil, and your conscious thoughts and imagined acts are the seeds. Now, these seeds can be positive or negative. It does not matter. Your subconscious mind is indifferent like the soil, and whatever you plant in it, it grows and gives you fruits. That is your manifestation. If you have a habit of constantly thinking negative thoughts and feeling negative emotions, then you are nurturing the seeds of negativity in your mind. Your persistence in those thoughts is just like watering the plants and taking care of them. In the same manner, if you are sowing the seeds of positivity and you are persistent in your thoughts of positivity, then you are nurturing the plant by providing it with water and proper care that will in the coming days provide you with the fruits or the physical manifestation. That's why you hear, "As you sow, so shall you reap." The whole point of explaining this example to you is to make you understand that your mind is indifferent towards the thoughts you have. Even if your circumstances are opposite, if you plant the seeds of success rather than failure, you will achieve your desired goal. Remember that your subconscious mind is like indifferent garden soil that makes no judgment and only gives you what is presented to it when manifesting. So, you can definitely manifest your X, Y, and Z desires. All you have to do is keep the feeling of having your wish fulfilled in your mind, as it is just like nurturing the plant of your manifestation. This example is so simple, and there are many examples like it in nature that you can observe to get the answers to your complex questions. Also, almost every philosophical teacher or spiritual guru might have different ways of presenting their ideologies. But one thing unites all of these teachers and gurus, and on this they all agree: whatever a man thinks, he becomes. Whatever you are thinking is shaping you, your life circumstances, your personality, your possessions, and the people you meet because of your thinking. If a man can think differently, his life becomes different. So, where is your attention flowing right now? Where is your attention currently focused? Where are you focused? How much time did you spend today consciously imagining the fulfillment of your wish? You have all the answers to these questions. Only you know what you do internally. Your external reality is the evidence of what is going on internally. Your subconscious mind is God, the universe, a higher power, or whatever you like to call it. It does not differentiate but provides you with what you ask for in your imagination. Maintain the feeling of already having your desire. By doing so, you are nurturing the plant. The fruits that are your manifestations will appear. It is not outside of you. Look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you already have. Enact a scene, no matter what it is. Forget good and evil. Enact a scene that implies you have what you desire, and to the degree that you are faithful to that state, it will unfold in your world and no power can stop it, for there is no other power. With this, I hope you learned something wonderful today. Subscribe because I post these videos regularly. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.